post increment and then pre increment sections. Okay. So first, what is the string concatenation? We have already seen. So we have to see a little bit actually how the concatenation works over there, because this is very much important when you come over to the automation level. Okay. So mainly we deal with string concatenation when we are going to read an information from the Excel sheet, or when you are going to read information from the application level. We capture the information and then we are going to add it with some other actions, and then we'll be performing our operations. So how to do that one, we'll see. So first, I'm going to tell you some steps over there. So first, 100 plus 200. So both are numbers. When it is being given with an operator plus, what will happen? That will be added. 100 plus 200 will give you 300. The same thing, hello, any information that comes under double quotes is called as a string, I told you. Clear? So, hello plus world, both are strings. Okay, in between if we get an operator, a plus operator, that will be concatenated. Okay, hello world it will come. Same thing, hello plus 100. Hello is what means is a string, 100 is a number. So I already told you any information that is concatenated with the string becomes also as a string. So it will be hello 100. Next, 100 plus 200. What will happen? That will give me, so 100 is what? Is a string. 200 is what? Actually what? Is a number. But any information that is added with the string, it will become as a string only. So 100 plus 200 will become as 100 200. It will not be added, it will be concatenated. Same thing, if 200 is a number and then plus 100. So any information comes from the left hand side to the right hand side, only the execution will happen. But even though out of these two numbers, any one is a string, that will be concatenated, 200 100. Then I'm going to give 100 plus 300 plus 500. So what will happen? 100 plus 300 will be 400, because both are numbers. Then plus 500, what will happen right now? That will be 400 500. It will be concatenated. Execution happens from left hand side to right hand side. First these two things will be added, and then the value of that one plus 500 will be given over here. Okay, everyone understood about this part, the concatenation, how this section works? Anyone has any doubts? So because this program I'm not going to execute, so I'm going to ask you guys, so you guys only will be helping me on that. Okay. So everyone understood about this one now? So can I ask questions with you guys so you can answer? Okay, sure. Yes. So first, Syed, can you just tell me what will be the output for these three things? I'll unmute you just a minute. Hello, hey Syed, can you hear me? Syed? Okay, Sham Chandran Kacheri, you're there? Hello, Sham, you're there? Okay, hey Shalini, yeah, just a second, I'll unmute you. Yeah, Shalini.
Yes, Murli. So the first one, x plus y would be hello world without any space.
Correct. X is hello and then y is world. So both will come as hello world for me. Correct. Then the next one.
Second one, both a and b are integers, so a plus b will be printed as 300.
Perfect. Super. Then next.
So x plus a here, x is a string, so hello, and a is 100. Hello 100.
Correct. X is what? Hello.
Hello.
plus
A.
100 both is what means hello plus 100. Any one is a string, that will be also treated as a
String.
string. Hello
100.
100. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So next, thanks Shalini. So,
Yeah, thanks.
hey Swapna, you would like to try? Hello, hey Swapna, I have unmuted you. You like to try? Hello. Hey Swapna. You like to try this? The next three?
Yes.
Yeah.
X plus Y will be 300. Hello world.
Yeah. X is hello, Y is world. So it will be hello,
Hello
world.
world 300.
Then
300.
Then the thing is
Plus
how it works. Plus
300.
no. The thing is I told you it comes from the left hand side to the right hand side. Correct? So X plus Y is hello world. Then the output will be added with A. Then this output will be added with B. So hello world plus 100. What will happen right now? These both will be. Can you tell me what will be the result of?
Plus 200.
First hello world plus 100. That will give you hello world 100. Okay. Then next step plus 200. Can you tell me what will happen? Hello?
Hello world 100 plus 200.
Correct. Super. So hello world 100, 200 will be the output here. Clear?
The whole variables will be concatenated together as a string.
Correct. So output will be X plus Y. Then the output of that one will be concatenated with A. Then this total 3 will be concatenated with B. This is how the execution will happen. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one, can you try? Guys, is my voice is breaking?
Okay, it is 300 hello world.
Sure. So A plus B will be what? So 300.
It is not some integer because the first one A and B are integers. So they will be added together followed by hello world.
Super. Correct. So 300 and then plus X will be hello. This time this will be a string.
World.
Then plus world will be world. Correct.
World. Yeah.
Okay. Then X plus A plus Y plus B.
Yeah, X is equals hello.
Super. Hello.
And A is 100.
So the output will be
100.
hello 100. Then
Hello 100. Y is world 200.
Yeah.
World and 200.
Correct. This will be the output. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Swapna. So next, Zama, you like to try? Zama Fatima? Hello? Hey Zama Fatima, you're there?
Yeah.
You like to try the next three?
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, sure.
Next is X plus Y and it should be...
No, this is one.
Okay, this one. X
Yeah.
plus A plus B plus Y. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, it should be hello. Hello 300 word.
Hello?
Hello 300.
The thing is, I told no. So X plus A plus B plus Y means first actually what? X plus A, that will be added. So what is it? X plus A?
X plus A is hello 100.
So it will be hello 100. That will be treated as a string now. Then
Yeah.
plus
Then
B.
it will be, yeah, it will be 200.
So totally it will be hello.
Yeah.
No. What will be the output right now for this one?
So it will be 200 world.
No. Okay, I understood. So totally what will be the output? X plus A plus B plus Y, what will be the output?
I'm confused.
Okay, okay. No problem, no problems. Okay. So the thing is x plus a, that will be hello 100. Then plus b, okay, that will be 200. No? So hello 100 plus 200. Now that will be concatenated. Then that will be hello 100 200. Then plus world, what will happen? That will be now concatenated to hello 100 200 and world.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
it. So the next one, can you try?
Yeah. It will be 100 hello.
Correct. 100 and then hello becomes a string now. Yes. Then
Why is 100 hello world 200?
correct. 100 hello world then 200. Super. Next one.
Yeah. Next one will be 200.
No. A
Oh,
plus
sorry. Yeah, 100.
yeah.
Yeah.
100.
100 hello.
Correct. 100 hello.
200 world.
Super. Yeah. It will be 200 world. Yes. The next one.
It will be hello 300
Yes.
world.
Super. Why can you tell me it's 300?
Because the brackets are there, right? A plus B.
Correct.
We have
Yes.
to take precedence for the brackets.
Super. Correct. So that is, it will be like this. Hello plus 100 plus 200 then plus world. So what will happen right now means, before going to this one, this will become as 300. Then after that, hello plus 300. So that will be hello 300 plus world will be hello 300 world. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Emma. Thank you so much. So now this is about string concatenation. Okay, based on these things only all the informations will come. So this is very important, you guys have to understand, because it's most used in our Selenium part. Next we'll go to the scanner class. Okay, what is the scanner class means? Okay, so from our scale, the scanner class is what means, whenever I'm going to execute my program, during my execution point, if I need to pass on an input to the program, that time I'll use the usage of the scanner class. Okay, so whenever I'm going to do an execution, that point of time, if I'm going to pass an input, I will be using the help of the scanner class. So how it is used? So for example, so this is my program. So first I'm having a global non-static variable int j equal to 30. Then a class is scanner class. Okay, so I'm creating an object for the scanner class so I can access this non-static method. So obj.j, that will give me 30. Enter the number, I'm going to print it. So now scanner in equal to new scanner. What I'm going to do means, I'm going to create an object for a class called scanner, which is coming from the java.util package. Where is this java.util package? So first I'll click on this one. When I click on this one, what's happening means, it's going to import a package java.util.scanner. Okay, so where it is present means, so if you see, I have uploaded my JRE system library now. So the JRE system library, here there will be a jar file called rt.jar. So here if you see, okay, I'll type java.util. So can you see, it's searched on a package java.util. If I open that one, there is a class called scanner. There are a lot of classes. In that one class is called as scanner is present. Okay, so this is what this class level, if we are having any methods, okay, I want to access some methods which is there under this class. So if I want to access those things, I need to use the help of this scanner class over there. That's what I'm going to do. See, it has these methods. Okay, next int, all those things. Okay, so I'm going to use these methods. So that time what I need to do means, okay, if I want to access any of the methods from a class which is present over under these packages, I need to import that one. Import means what it will tell me, that is from this class you have an access to this class over here. Okay, what are the methods that are there here that can be accessed here? Okay, that is what will be telling over here. That's the main thing. Okay, so we got it. So now I create an object. So there I'm going to give system.in. What is the system.in will tell me is that is you have an access to now pass on an input right now. Okay, you have an access to pass on the input. So that will be stored under this object in. Then the next one, a method, will tell me which type of input you can access. So next in, there are different things, next byte, next double, next float, like that, different things I can pass. Right now I'm going to pass an integer number. So I'm going to give next in. So if you see in dot, then if I give next, can you see these are the things coming from the scanner class? Can you see the right hand side in a light grayish color, it's giving scanner. So that means these are the things it's coming from our scanner class over there. Okay, so in that we have next int. Okay, so I can pass next in. The difference between this one and this one is what means, that is if I give like this, I need to enter my input. The same thing, there is another one, int y is equal to in dot next int. Then if I give that information, this one, here itself I need to pass my value. Okay, that's the difference. So during the execution time, if I want, I will pass like this. Otherwise I can pass like this also. Both are possible to me. Okay, so I'm going to give this. So now what happened, it will print me x value. Then it's going to print me the y value. Then here I'm going to check whether from my side I want to find whether that number which I pass is a guys, is my voices breaking for everyone? Is my voice breaking for anyone? Surajit, actually for others it's fine. Okay. Okay. So I want to check whether my number is a even number or it's an odd number. So how you can know that actually whether a number is an even number or odd number? So mathematically what we will do, that is if the number is divisible by 2, that is a even number. If the number is not divisible by 2, that is a odd number. That is what we know. That is what we have done in our school days. Okay, the same logic I can try it in my program also. So what I can do, that is from my side, so I'm going to do a division over there. So based on that, so I'll just, okay, 10 is my number. So if I divide by 2, what will be the output? So 5 times are 10. The remainder will be 0 for me. Okay, the same thing if I'm going to divide by the 2 with 50. So now if I see 50, so that means what? How many times? 25 times. Okay, we'll make it. So 25. So the output will be what? 0 for me here. The same thing, if it is, I'm going to divide 9. So 2, what will happen? 4s are, 4s are 8. So that remainder will be 1. So any odd number, that remainder will be 1 for me. Okay, any odd number when I'm going to divide, that remainder will be 1. Okay, any even number, that remainder will be 0 for me. So with this logic I can identify whether my number is a even number or a odd number. Okay, so for that, mod is the condition which will help for me. Okay, which is called as mod. So what I'm going to do over here is simple. So x percentage of 2, that means mod. Okay, we'll be calling that as a mod. So the number which I'm going to pass over there, that I will be dividing it by 2. So what will happen? That I will be comparing whether it's equal to 0. So this is the if condition. If condition, what? It will be checking whether from my side the input, if it is true, then it will execute my if condition. Otherwise it will be searching for, do I have any else if condition or not. Okay, else if. Do we have any else if condition or not? That is how it will be checking over there. So if that matches over there, x mod 2 is equal to 1. Otherwise, if it's not equal to means I can give like, if it's not equal to 0, then print me is it is a odd number I can give. So the else if condition will be checking. I can have n number of else if conditions over there. So which matches that will be executing for me. Okay, so that will be executed. Okay, based on my remainder, I'll be checking whether it's a odd number or it's an even number for me. So then after that, that execution starts for me. So this is what. So in case if any of the if condition or else if conditions are not matching, then finally my else condition will be executing. Okay. So right now what means it will be checking whatever I'm passing over there, it will be executed with if and else if conditions are. So else most probably not needed for me. That's the thing. But even though I'll have it as of now. So now I'll execute it. Right click, run as Java application. So enter the number. I'll pass 10. Okay. 25. Okay, because I passed 2 times int over there, that's the only thing. So it's printed me. Actually, what is the thing means actually next int I gave na. So 25 plus 30 is what means 65. That is what it's printing. Okay, the value which I passed, along with it I need to add the value. So that's what 25 plus 30 will give me 65. Then finally this x value is what means I passed it 10 na. With that 10 it's going to give a mod. Okay, so right now this will confuse you. So I'll comment it as of now. Then I'm going to run it. So I'm going to pass 10. 10 is an even number. Same thing if I'm going to pass 25. Sorry. Here I'll click on it. 25. It's an odd number. That's the thing. And yeah, you have a doubt. Okay, why 2 objects in the method? Can't we use only one object for this program? Huh? For this program, what is the thing means? This object is what means to access the global members of this scanner class. Getting? So I can access this non-static method. So what is this scanner class means? Okay, this one is an inbuilt class in Java. Okay, which comes from the GRE system library. So I want to access the input. Okay, from my side during the execution I want to pass an input. With that value I am going to execute information. So for that one, what I need to do means I need to create an object for this scanner class so I can access all the methods from that class. Okay, so when I'm going to use any classes from the GRE system, some other jar file, I need to import that. Okay, that's what I have done here. Just a second, there is a doubt. Ramesh. Hey Ramesh, you have a doubt? Hello, hey Ramesh, I unmuted you. You have any doubt? Okay, so no static variable j equal to 30 is not needed. The thing is actually what, if I am going to have static, if this is static means I don't want to create this object. So I can directly access with help of this scanner class .j itself. I can directly access this with scanner class .j itself. No need of this object only. But I'm going to have it as a non-static variable. That's why I have like that. Clear, Ramesh? So everyone is clear about it? Why? Why, Ramesh, I'll unmute you. Can you just speak over? Why second else? That's what I said now. Why is the usage of second else means it's not needed as of now, but even though I'm just keeping it because anyway my both the conditions are matching with the help of this if condition else if itself. So it's not needed, but even though I'm just having it, okay, it's of no use else here as of now. So what next int will do? So what the next int will do means, so from my side, the system.in will give an information that I'm going to accept on input to this object. Next in what it will do means, it will, when I'm going to execute my program, I'm going to pass an input from the console now. So that one, it will be checking whether it's an integer, then after that it stores under the integer variable. Okay, this will help you to tell what type of input you need to accept. Okay guys, any doubts for anyone in understanding this program? So I'm going to, based on this one, I'm going to give you few assignments. So that's why I'm asking. Everyone is clear about it? Okay, so I'll give you, okay, yeah, sure. So my assignment will be what means? Okay, tomorrow I'll just give these things after I take the for loops and if conditions. So this is about the scanner class. Okay, so next from my side, I'll go with the post increment and then pre increment over here. So what is this post and pre increment? So from my side, I'll just open those things. So there are two types of operators available. Okay, you all might know that what is an operator. Okay, the plus and minus, addition, subtraction, like that, those symbols are called as operators. Okay, there are two types of operators available. That is, one is binary, another one is unary. So binary is what still now we have used in our school days and then college days over there. Okay, so what is that? A plus B, A minus B. Okay, those things are the binary operators. What is the unary operator means? Okay, so binary means actually what means? There will be only one operator, plus or minus or addition, subtraction, what is it, division or percentage, like that. So then two operands. So that is actually two values I'll be passing to one operator to execute an information. That is what binary. Unary means I'll be having two operators but only one operand. So that is I plus plus minus minus I. Okay, like that I'll be having. So two operator and then only one operand over here. So how to work with this? So that is what we are going to see. So two operator, one operand, how it works we'll see. So from my side, I'll open this one. Just a second, it would start. So binary operator means A plus B, A minus B. Okay, unary operator means, okay, if the font size is small, please let me know, so I'll increase the font size. So I plus plus or plus plus I or I minus 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 I. So like that, these things are okay. That is two operators and then one operand. So that is this one. One operator and 2 operands. Here the same thing is what means 1 operand and then 2 operator. Okay, 1 operand and then 2 operator here. That's the main thing. So how to work on that one? First we'll see. So for example, a plus b means it's as like that. Actually 10 plus 20 will be what right now for me? It will be 30. That is what we have done still now. So what is this unit operator means? Okay, it's of 2 types over there. So what does that means? That is post increment. Okay, post increment or decrement, and then pre increment or decrement. That's the thing. So what does that means? So post increment, that means what? I plus plus or I minus minus. The same thing here. Pre increment means first plus plus I, then minus minus I. This is what. So what is this what will do means? Okay, so from my side, I plus plus means is equal to I plus 1. Okay, the same thing if it is I minus minus means it is I minus 1. The same thing next, plus plus I, that means 1 plus I, minus minus I means 1 minus I. This is what. Okay, so the first 2 things are post increment, the second 2 things are pre increment. Okay, so how this works, that is what we are going to see. Guys, actually today I'm getting more comments that actually what lot of problems with my side. Is that everyone is facing, or specifically some of them are facing? I'm not getting, because that is actually a lot of breaks is there. Is my voice is breaking and then the background noise is more, something like that? Video is breaking for Syed, not background. Okay. Okay, that is actually you're saying that video is a little bit slower when I'm doing it. Swapna, Syed, Surjit, you're facing. Apart from that, anyone? Anyone is facing? Swapna, Surjit, Syed, and Ramesh, you also ping. Apart from that, anyone? Apart from you four, anyone has any doubts? Okay, I'm not getting. Actually, it's a problem with me, or that is your Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. I'm not getting. Sorry. For Ramesh now it's okay. Frankly to say, I don't know whether the problem is mine, because actually my side I'm feeling it's a little bit good only, the net speed, but I'm not sure about it. So anyway, if there is anything, I'll just look on it later. Okay guys, so we'll start with this. Okay, so this is about the operator. So first we'll go. So how it works, that is what I'm going to see now, show you now. So from my side, I'll write a class ABC. Then allow my main function public static void main string arguments. Okay, so here I'm going to give integer I is equal to 0. Integer I equal to 0. So here I'm going to give sysO I plus plus. Okay. So what will be the output? So integer I equal to 0, sysO I plus plus. So what will be the output? First we'll see. Okay. So for that I'll just take one assignments here. Increment decrement, I'll have a main function. Integer I is equal to 0. Okay. So then if I print sysO I, what will be the output? Okay. SysO I plus plus. What will be the output? First we'll print it. I'm just printing. So 0 and 0, both is coming 0. What is it I plus plus means? See, now I'll print I. See what happens. After the I plus plus, I'm going to give I. See what happens. It's printing me 1. Okay. So I plus plus means, that is what will happen means, first it will take the high value, then after that the increment will be happen. Okay. So still I have not started it. Okay. Don't get confused. I'll be once again I'm coming to that. So you'll be cleared of it. Okay. Then I will be printed as 1. Okay. The same thing instead of I plus plus. Now what I'll do, I'll give plus plus I. Now we'll see the output. Now can you see both of the things is giving me 1 over there. Okay. So I plus plus means it is post increment. Okay. So I plus plus. So I'll have two variables here. Integer j equal to 0. This one I'll give it as plus plus j. So I'll run this. Okay. So this is post increment. This is pre increment. So what it will do? So system.out.println I. What is the I value right now? It's 0. Then I plus plus means what will happen right now? It will take the I value, then it increments over there. So what is the I value right now? It's 0. So now what is the thing it will do means, first it will take the I value and then print me. Then after that it will increment the I memory location. So that's why here it's printing 0 right now, because first it takes the I value, then it increments. Then after that when I print I, that time it will be 1. Same thing here, j is equal to 0. What is the j value? It's 0. Plus plus j, what it will happen means, that is plus plus j. That means what will happen? First increment the j value, then print me. That is why it's printing here itself 1. Then finally here prints me j. Once again, it's 1 is printing. That's the thing. So I plus plus means post increment means first it take the I value, then only what will happen? Increment the memory location of I. Here first increment the memory location, then get me the j value over there. That's what it will do here. Clear guys? So now I'll show you the output over there. Okay. So now I'll just so what I'm going to do here is, that is I'm going to have integer I is equal to 0. Then integer j is equal to I plus 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 I plus 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 I plus I. I'm going to print this one. Okay. So what is the output for this one? We'll see. So now it will create me an I memory location. Then after that it print me J memory location. So this will be I, this will be J. So first I value will be what? 0 for me here. Okay. So then int J equal to I plus plus. Okay. This entire value will be here stored in J. So that's what it's going to do for me. Correct? So now first check what will happen. I plus plus. I plus plus means what will happen right now? First I comes means first take the I value. Right now what is the I value? It is 0. Then plus. Okay. Then after that what will happen? Increment the I value by 1. Okay. Now it will increment the I value by 1. That is 1 right now. Now I value will be 1. Okay. Then I plus plus. Now what will happen? Again take the I value. What is the I value right now? It's 1. So 1. Then increment the I value by 1. That is now it will be 2. Okay. So the previous values will be tilted. Then next what will happen? Plus. Then plus I. Plus I means what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. First increment the I value by 1. That is 3 right now. Then take the I value. Then plus. Then plus I. Plus I means what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. That is 4 right now. Then take the I value. So 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. What will happen? That will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will be the J value. That will be here. So if I print it, I value will be 4, J value will be 8. Okay. Anyone has any doubts on understanding this one? Is it clear for everyone? Can I go to the next one? Sure. I'll repeat one more time, Kiran. Okay. So I'll just take another program. Integer I is equal to 0. So I'll increase the font size a little bit so it will be comfortable for you. Then integer J is equal to, okay, now plus I plus I plus I plus I plus. I'm going to do the same thing. I have just little bit changed over here. The thing is first plus I. Okay, here I plus and all those things. So here little bit changes I have done. So we'll see the output of both the things. So for this one, what is the output? This is what we have to see. So what will be the I value, and then what will be the J value? This is J. Okay, so I value will be 0. So plus I, that means what? Just again. Yeah, sure. Guys, now the font size is okay, I think so. Everyone can see, I think so. Okay, so now plus I. Plus I means what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. So right now it's 0, na? So that will be incremented by 1. So that will be 1. Then take the I value. Okay, then plus. Now plus I again. So what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. Then take the I value 2. Then plus I plus. I plus means what? First take the I value. Then increment the I value. Okay, so what I'm doing, when a plus comes, first time increment the memory location. then I'm taking the I value. If I comes first I take the I value, then only I'm incrementing the I value, then plus I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? What is the I value right now? It's 3. So 3 will be taken. Then after that increment the I value by 1, that will be 4. So that will be, finally I value will be 4 for me. What will be the J value means right now? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will be the J value. Clear for everyone? This concept now? Okay, guys, everyone is clear right now? Because I'm going to give, now actually what I'm going to show you some programs. You are the guys who's going to explain. I'm going to ask you each and every one. Can I go proceed? Okay, yeah, sure. So, I'll have this one also, so it'll be easy for you to do. Integer I equal to 0, then integer j is equal to so I plus 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 I minus minus plus minus minus I minus plus plus I plus I minus minus then plus I plus plus. So what will be the output for this one? So this will be the I value, this will be the J value. This is I, this is J. So first Ramesh, can you tell me what will be the output? Can you execute this program? I have unmuted you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Murali. So I plus plus will have I will have a 0, and
So here what will happen? First I plus plus means first take the I value.
I value, yeah.
Then
is
what will happen?
0. Then I value will get incremented to 1.
Correct. Super. Then
And then plus sign
yes.
1. It will take first the I value.
Correct. I is coming from, so first take the I value right now. Yes. Then
And now it will decrement. It will decrease 1 by 1. So it will
because
be 0. I will have 0.
correct, because it's minus, so it will be decremented by minus 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay.
0. Yeah.
Yes. Then
And that will get added to J.
no, that is later. So still we have these
Okay.
things.
Yes. And then minus I, it will be 0 again stored in I.
No. 0 minus 1.
It will be minus 1. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Correct. 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay.
Then
So that value will come here.
correct. That minus 1 will come over here.
Yeah.
Yes. Then
And then
it's minus.
yeah.
Then
minus 1 plus 1. So it will be 0. 0 will get stored in I.
okay. Just a second. The thing is, it's plus plus I. So plus plus I means what will happen right now? First it will be incrementing. Minus 1 plus 1, it will be again 0.
0. Yeah.
So
Same
then that value will be
come to
taken.
J.
Yes. Correct. Then
Again 0 will get added to J.
so just a second. So
Sure.
wait a minute. I'll move it. Yeah. then plus yeah, then
0.
what will happen? I minus
value.
minus, that means first take the I value 0, then
I
the
will
equation
become minus 1.
correct, then now
minus 1 again.
I plus plus, that means first it will take minus
Yeah.
1. Super.
Yeah.
Correct.
And then
After that-
I value will get, I value will become 0.
0 now, correct. So I value will be 0 right now. That's the thing. Final I value will be 0. So now J value will be what?
0. It will be minus 1.
Correct. 1 minus 1. That will be 0 here. Okay. Then after that, here everything is 0. Then finally it's minus 1. So 0 minus 1, that will become as minus 1.
Minus 1.
That is it. So clear guys, everyone? I think everyone is clear about this one. So now I'm going to send in your chat over there. Okay. New questions window, I'll be sharing you 2 programs. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes of time. You guys have to do that one. So I'll just take it. Anyone has any doubts, please let me know. I'm pasting in the questions window, Swapna. The same questions window is there, no? You guys will be asking, no? There. So I think so everyone would have got right now. If you have not got, please let me know. So I'm gonna send you 2 programs. So you have to get me the answers for these 2 things. And then after that, one more thing I'll be giving you as an assignment. Everyone has received it? Yeah, I have sent only 1 program as of now. I'm sending the another one right now. The next program I have sent now. I sent the next program. Everyone has got 2 programs? Okay, so while giving me the output, that is actually what? Just give me as actually 1, and then after that give me the output of I and j, then second, okay, put as 2, and then give me the value of I and j. Okay, so right now it's 8:02. Okay, I'll give you actually what? 5 minutes is more. Okay, I'll give you 8 minutes. So by 8:10, once again we guys will connect. Okay, guys. Oh, super. IS2J7. Okay, we'll see that one. So everyone just try it. Hey guys, I have muted you. That's why you are not able to hear it. Rajnish, you have any doubt, Rajnish? Okay. I is what? 1. Okay. I is right now it's what? 1. This I, this J. So I plus plus. So what will be the I and J value? So I'll take this right now. I don't want this. So what is the I value right now for me? That is, it's 1. So 1 will be taken. Then I will be incremented by 0. Then plus I plus plus. So what will be the I value right now will be 0. The latest value is 0. So 0 will be taken and then minus minus. So what will happen? It will be decremented by 1. That is minus 1. So I'll parallelly, I will just then minus, then minus minus I. So minus minus I means what means right now? It is minus 1. No? So first memory location should be decremented. Okay, just a second, there are some doubts. I will be incremented by 1. Just a second. Should be 2 nodes. Okay, sorry. Just a second. I'll do it from one more time. Sorry. My doubt over there. I'll just do it one more time. Yeah. Sorry. It's my mistake. I'll just do it one more time. Just a second. So I plus plus. So first actually what is the I value right now means? It's 1 over there. So it's 1. So I plus plus. So what will happen? First I will be 1. Then plus plus. It will be incremented by 1. That will be 2. Yeah. Okay. So it was my mistake over there. So then plus I minus minus. So what is the I value right now? It's 2. 2 minus 1. So that will be 1 right now. Then minus, then minus minus I. So minus minus I means what will happen right now? What is the value right now? It's 1. That will be decremented by 1. That will be 0. Then 0 will be taken. Then plus I. So plus I means what will happen right now for me? So I will be first incremented by 1. That will be 1. Then I. So what is the I value right now? It's been 1. Then minus plus I. So plus I means what will happen? First increment the I value by 1. That will be 2. Then take the I value, that is 2. Then plus I plus plus. So what is the I value right now for me? It is 2. So 2 will be taken. Then plus plus, that will be 3 for me. Then plus I minus minus. So what is the I minus means? What is the I value right now? It's 3. So 3 minus minus will be 2 for me. Clear? That is 2 right now. So the final value of I is 2 right now for me. So these things will be deleted right now finally. One by one everything will be done. The final value of is 2. So the same thing now if you see j, okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, then minus 0 is 3, then plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 5, 6, 7. So j value will be 7. Okay, so we'll see by running this program also. Right click, run as Java application. I is 2, j is 7. Okay, then the next program. So for this one, this is I and this is j. So for this one, what is I value right now? It is 0 minus I. So minus I means what will happen right now for me? First decrement the I value, then after that take the I value. So 0 so minus I. So what will happen? 0 minus 1. So that will be minus 1. Then take the I value, that is minus 1, then plus I plus plus. That means first take the I value. I value is what right now? It's minus 1. Then increment the I value by 1. So that will be 0. Then plus I minus minus. So I minus minus means what? First take the I value. So that is 0. Then minus 1 will be taken over there. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. Then plus I. So plus I means what will happen right now for me? It's minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Then plus I. So plus I means what will happen right now? What is the I value right now? It's 0. So that will be incremented by 1. Then that will be taken over there. Then plus I minus minus. So take the I value. Then minus minus. So that will be final value will be 0. So what is the I value is 0 right now. What is the j value? Minus 1 will be minus 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So totally will be 2 minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 over there. So that will be the j value. So we'll see whether it's correct. The final value of I is 0, j is 0. We'll see whether it's correct. Yes, it's 0 and 0. Okay, so everyone is clear about this session, the post increment and pre increment. Anyone has any doubts on this one? It's clear now? So I'm going to give you this one as the assignment. Okay, so pre post increment, that is the Java. Okay, that's a class man. So here I have given. So I made you little bit confused. Okay, I given you a little bit tricky information over there. It's simple. Okay, if you normally see, but it little bit also might be confusing you, but I want to do over there. So just do it and then get me the output, and finally run the program and check whether your input and then after that the output both is correct. Okay, your output and then the system output both is correct over there. That's what you have to do. Okay, so it's very much important over there because pre increment and then decrement we will be using it on our Selenium. That's the main thing. Okay guys, can I forward to the next level? Can you go to the next session, next topic? Okay. Hey, did this change my voice is breaking or it's fine right now? Okay, yeah, sure. I'm just forwarding to the next one. Okay. Hey guys, I just want some feedback before I start to the next topic. So, am I going very slow or is my face is okay? Please give me some feedback. So according to that, I'll go for the next session. Am I going very slow on the topic or is my speed is good? Please give me some suggestions, Alon. Okay. Okay, so yeah, a little bit. I'm just taking it for Selenium over there, so that's why I took it a little bit. Okay, yeah. So okay, so the same phase is okay now for everyone. I can continue the same phase. Okay, guys. If you want me speed up or something, yes, just give me an information. So like that, I can just speed up or I can just go slow over there. Okay. So next, we're done with this. Okay. So now today we'll go with the loops. Okay, and then I'm going to give you some assignments for you to make it understand. Okay, first we'll see with the if condition, and then after that the loops will go one by one. So first I'll go with the if condition. So I already told you that actually what if condition is, what actually from our side I need to execute some blocks. Okay, what is a block? Okay, any information that comes over with a open brace and then close flower brace is called as a block over there. Okay, if I have here an if condition, then this is a if block. Okay, if I have it over there with a else if, then this is a else if block over there. Okay, how a if condition will be written over there means, so from my side, yeah, hey Ramesh, we are done with the accepting the input through console. That's what the scanner class is about. The scanner class is about actually what? Accepting the input through the console. Okay, now? So right now I'm going to take about if condition. Okay, if and then else if condition. That's what I'm going to take. If, else if, then else. That is what I'm going to take. Okay, how a block will be written means. How else if block will be written. So, for example, always a class ABC. Then my main function. So now I'm having integer I is equal to 0. Integer j is equal to 20. Okay, I'll make it as 10 and 20. Integer sum is equal to 30. Okay, integer sum is equal to 30. So then now I'll have if my I value is greater than j, then I want to execute this block. Then I'm going to print over there as so I is greater. Okay, so I is greater. The same thing here, I'll make it as else if j is greater than I, so j is greater. Just a second, guys. So I is greater, then j is greater. So in case if anything is not matching for me, else let me both are equal. Okay, this is what you're going to get it. So what will happen right now for me? Class ABC, public static void main string arguments, then integer I equal to 10, integer j equal to 20, sum is equal to 30. So what is the thing right now here? If I is greater than j, what is the I value right now? It's 10. 10 is greater than 20? No. So it will not execute the if block. Comes to the else if block. If j is greater than I, so what is the thing? 20. So 20 is greater than I? Yes, it is greater than I. So comes here, then prints me j is greater. In case if this is also 10, what will happen right now for me? 10 is greater than 10? No, it is not greater than, comes here. Then finally prints here without any checking, okay, without any conditions, prints me both are equal. Okay, it prints me both are equal. That is what this else block will do. Okay, that's about this else if block, else if block. I can have n number of else if blocks. Okay, I can have only one if block and then one else block, but I can have n number of else if block. If, for example, I'm having I is greater than sum, then I'll print here. So I greater than sum, I can have. So like that I can have n number of informations. So again one more else if conditions I can have. So this one I'll make it as sum is greater than I. So that time it will print sum greater than I. I can have n number of else if conditions. So which condition becomes true? What will happen? That block, okay, sequential order, it will be checking each and everything step by step the condition. Okay, any one matches, what will happen? The remaining will not be executed. Okay, at a point any one block only will be executed for us. That's a main intention over here of using the if and else if block. Okay, so this is about if and else if block. Okay, anyone has any doubts, you can ping me. Okay, I think so this will be clear because most of them would have been seeing this before itself. Understanding also is easier, understanding if and else if block. Now I'm going to tell you about nested if condition. What is this nested if means? Okay, inside a if block having one more if block over here. This is called as if block and then this is another. Okay, that is nested if. Inside if block, if there is another if block, that is called as a nested if. So what I'm going to do here, okay, integer a equal to 10, b equal to 40, c equal to 90. Sum is equal to a plus